back. So we had a good amount of sunshine once again today. A few more clouds later on to the day. The temperatures once again made it into the upper 80s to near 90 for most of us. Here's a look at our Tower Cam time lapse. The regional west weather camera in Scottsbluff, as we do have sunny to mostly sunny skies through most of the day. Then a few more clouds later in the day. It was breezy to windy out there, and we did stay dry. Here's a look at the high temperatures across the region. So we had a high of 88 in Scottsbluff and Chadron, but out toward Kimball, Sidney, Alliance, and Gordon into the lower 80s. But as we make our way out toward Torrington, 89 your high. Same thing for Wheatland, down toward Cheyenne at 81 degrees for a high temperature. So we are staying mild with the clouds and that strong southeasterly wind persisting. So we are near 70 at Torrington and Scottsbluff, upper 60s at Harrisburg, 73 currently at Chadron, and low to mid 60s from Kimball, Sidney, and out toward the Oshkosh and Alliance area. Here's your wind mainly from a southeasterly direction. Wind speeds right now between, say, 10 and 25 miles per hour sustained. And here's a look at the strongest wind gusts out toward from Alliance to Chadron, 30 to maybe even high 40 mile per hour range winds. So that's pretty windy out there, especially into the northern panhandle. That's why they've remained so warm even into this evening. So here's a look at the satellite and radar. Mainly clear into our eastern and southern counties with just a batch of clouds from the Wheatland Chugwater area to Scottsbluff and into Sioux County. But we are still dry across the entire region now. A couple areas of high pressure in charge of our forecast. One is exiting, gave us that easterly component. We have one to our south giving us that southerly wind, so we will stay mild and dry as we make our way through the overnight. But right on our doorstep is this low pressure system and this cold front that will set up over us and give us multiple chances of some showers and some thunderstorms as we go through the end of the work week and into the weekend. So making our way through the overnight, we'll keep partly cloudy skies and temperatures falling back to near 50. Then for the day tomorrow, sunshine to start, then partly cloudy, just a slight chance of some showers and thunderstorms, but temperatures once again back into the upper 80s for highs. We'll lose the shower activity with the daytime heating going away, so starting off Friday morning near 50 degrees, and then high temperatures as we go through Friday afternoon, early in the afternoon, into the upper 70s to near 80, partly cloudy skies until late in the afternoon to the evening. Then we have a better chance of some showers and thunderstorms with mostly cloudy skies, and we'll keep that weather pattern all the way through the day on Saturday. So here's a look at what to expect. This low will move off to our north. This frontal boundary really does set up over us. So this is actually being caused by Hurricane Ian. That will be well over here out toward the eastern portion of the United States. These features can't move as fast as they would usually because they're battling against that hurricane. So this frontal boundary will stick around as we make our way through the weekend with chances of some showers and thunderstorms and cooler air on the way. As for Ian, it is still really impacting Florida. It did hit between Fort Myers and Tampa at around 150 mile per hour winds. Right now down to 100 mile per hour winds. It is 80 miles south of Orlando, moving north-northeast at 8 miles per hour. So it's going to continue its trek across Florida, get back into the Atlantic Ocean as a tropical storm, 65 mile per hour winds, and then it makes another landfall into South Carolina before it dissipates as we go through the end of the weekend. So that means that this system here that's giving us these showers really can't move. So we're going to keep chances for some showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, and cooler air in the forecast. So we fall back to near 70 by Saturday, 73 on Sunday. Keep slight chances of some showers through Monday and Tuesday, otherwise partly cloudy, and a high of 67 by Tuesday, and then 70 for Wednesday with partly cloudy skies. We should be mainly dry. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. Now to a big issue plaguing schools across the country. With the pandemic winding down, districts are grappling with another challenge, convincing teachers to stay in the industry. We have more on this story.
School bells are starting to sound like alarm bells in districts across the